Unboxing and installing the AtomStack H3 riser base for AtomStack Hurricane. Place the box on a flat surface and carefully cut the packing tape with a sharp blade. Open the box and remove the top packing foam along with the instruction manual. Then take the front and back panels out, followed by both the bottom panels. Once these are out, remove the remaining packing foam. Finally, take the screws and left and right side panels out. Lay everything out neatly on a flat surface for easy installation. Take the left and right side panels and place them apart like this. Insert the bottom panel, aligning it with the rounded edges of the side panels. Using the screws and the provided hex wrench, secure the side panels by fastening all the screws. This ensures a sturdy base. Once all screws are tightened, attach the front and back panels as shown. Next, open the machine's lid. Move the laser head to the top left corner and carefully remove the honeycomb panel. Afterward, take out the collection tray. Notice the limit switch. Cover this with a piece of tape while ensuring the switch is in the closed position to prevent the machine from shutting down during operation. With assistance from another person, gently place the machine on top of the H3 riser base. With the H3 riser base, you can now engrave materials up to a height of 19 centimeters or 7.48 inches, expanding your creative possibilities.